best gift ideas for women over 50 that they will love. Finding the perfect gift for women over 50 doesn't have to be complicated, especially if you're looking for something thoughtful and special. The right present can show how much you care and bring joy to their day, whether it's for your mom, best friend, or a family member. Women in their 50s often appreciate gifts that are both meaningful and practical to enhance their daily lives. This gift guide offers a wealth of ideas for any woman over 50, regardless of her interests or style. Thoughtful gifts that blend practicality with luxury make for the perfect choice on birthdays, Mother's Day, or the holiday season. Even for those who have everything, a little indulgence or something personalized can be a delightful surprise. Personalized jewelry, such as custom bracelets or necklaces, adds a personal touch that any jewelry lover will appreciate. Consider a custom birthstone name necklace, which pairs the wearer's name with their birthstone for a sentimental accessory. Luxury skincare sets offer high-quality ingredients to nourish and rejuvenate, ideal for those who love to maintain a glowing appearance. Brands like Sol de Janeiro provide popular skincare products that deliver hydration and smoothness, perfect for pampering. The Sunday Riley Go to Bed With Me Complete Anti-Aging Evening Skincare Set is a comprehensive routine targeting signs of aging. This set includes products like retinol oil and lactic acid treatments to improve skin texture and reduce fine lines. A monthly subscription box, like FabFitFun, offers a variety of surprises, from beauty products to home decor and snacks. This kind of gift keeps the excitement alive year-round with curated items that align with her personal style and interests. Weighted blankets provide relaxing sleep improvement by applying gentle, calming pressure, perfect for reducing stress and anxiety. Digital photo frames allow her to enjoy a slideshow of cherished family memories without needing physical space for photos. Preload the frame with special moments so she can relive beloved memories, making it a gift that keeps on giving. Journals and planners offer a way to document life's journey and stay organized, ideal for fostering creativity and reflection. A gratitude journal or planner can help her set goals, practice mindfulness, and leave a legacy for future generations. A massage is an indulgent gift that promotes relaxation and well-being, offering relief from muscle tension and stress. Regular massages can enhance mental and physical health, making them a perfect self-care gift for any occasion. A cooking or baking class is a fun and educational experience for culinary enthusiasts eager to try new recipes and techniques. Whether in person or online, these classes provide hands-on learning that enhances skills and offers socialization opportunities. From personalized jewelry to luxurious skincare, consider a variety of thoughtful gifts that she'll love and cherish. The key to selecting the perfect gift is to focus on what brings joy, comfort, and a personal touch to her life. This list ensures that you'll find something she'll adore, no matter her interests or the occasion. Celebrate her with a meaningful gift that brightens her day and shows how much you truly care. Want to see the best gifts for women over 50? Click on the website in the description box.